I've had this Eonon head unit for about 2 years now, and these buttons don't work. The volume, the back, power, nothing's working on this thing. So what I usually do, and some of you guys may have figured that one out, but I bring down, go into car infotainment, go down to about device 5802, go into touch study, and clear it out, and then hit power, home, back, volume up, volume down, and then back out of there. And I can get the volume button to work. Home doesn't do anything. Power just turns the screen off, and back doesn't work, but I can get volume up and down to work until you turn the head unit off. I've even gone into here, and actually I've even gone into factory and hit save with that to go with those settings. But as soon as I powered back on, it's still, the problem persists. It goes back to what it was, where nothing was working. I was watching another guy's video today, and unfortunately he sent his head unit back and got a different one, or fortunately, depending on how he feels. But I was in his comments and I found that there's another way to fix it. It's not actually broke. I guess in experiment with all the settings, we've changed settings on things that mess up the saved setup on this touchscreen. So the fix is to go back to factory settings, go down to others. I said go down to others. Super slow. Capacitive screen to 0. And then one more setting, MCU type to 0. Hit save. Reboot. So capacitive screen to 0, MCU type to 0. And hit save, and that will fix the problem. It'll take you back to how it came when you first hooked it in. So those are the two settings that, because there's no manual with these, I think my manual was like 4 pages of illustrations. It wasn't even information. Just showing you how to hook the camera up and the USB extended wires, the GPS antenna and things like that. It wasn't really a manual. But that's how you get everything working again on this Eonon head unit. Now it's going to make a liar out of me. There we go. Had to wait for it to play. Let's go into YouTube here. Not a very good Android head unit. I think it's 1 gigabyte, even though it was advertised as 2 gigabytes. It's really not. Now everything's working again. Here we go, YouTube. Let me touch a YouTube video. We'll go from there. My Wi-Fi is not in a good place right now, but as you can see, the buttons are working, and good luck with it.